Sasa ni sioni. Nione juu sasa ni, how are you doing? Niko aje? So, acha tuanze. Leo tunafanya head and shoulder inverted one. Jana tulifanya yenye imesimama, leo tunakaa usingizi. Ni venye nimelala the whole day. The whole day nimelala. Na hey, jotoka kwa nyumba, I've slept completely the whole day, like, well, saizi ni venye nimeamka jioni, like, nimejiforce nikuje class, but I'm okay. Even usingizi, nimetoka usingizi, don't mind me. Acha nifungue Zoom. So jana nilidelete nini by mistake. I'm very very sorry. Mimi sijui ni nini nilifanya. After sijui nimechange nini, baada nilifinya post. Nilifinya delete. I'm very very sorry about that. But I'll go through it very fast. Nitapitia through it because tunafanya head and shoulder sasa inverted. Jana tulifanya head and shoulder imesimama. Leo tumefanya head and shoulder an inverted one. Upside down. Iko imekaa upside down, like now an inverted one. Ni yenyewe tunakava leo. Tumefika watu wangapi? Hii simu yangu inaonyesha. Try volume. So, wana tumefika something. So, I'm a host. Nitairudia very fast. Ile yenye tulifanya nairudia very fast kwa sababu ni yenyewe tu tunafanya imeinvertiwa upside down. Kesho tutasoma cup and handle. Yes. Kesho tutafanya cup and handle. Oh, wow. Jesus, nimekumbuka. Ningesahau ipate. Nilikuwa nadhani tumebakisha cup and handle na Quasimoto. Na nimekumbuka kuna pattern ingine ya 3 tumebakisha. Bullish and Bearish channel. Sikuwa nakumbuka hiyo pattern. Imeni hit size. So, acha tuanze. Sitaki kutake long. I'm doing fine. Beki niko poa kabisa. I'm doing okay. Na ni step index tunaifunga leo before tulale. Mimi am tired. Tuacho na boom. But hapana, acha step kwanza ishuka. Haijafika bado. The first trade is supposed to pay about kuna trade nafaa nipeane. Leo kwa nini nimeshinda nikifanya? Leo I've been off laptop. So I just but no worries. Kuna vitu mob naona. Remember us looking at this yesterday? Jam 10. Sema itabai. Angalia. Nilikuwa nafaa nipeane. Sema itaenda hapa alafu ishuke. Jam 10, tulisema iko na head and shoulder imesimama. Head, shoulder, neckline iko hapa, head. You see this one? Hii market inafaa kuja hadi hapa. Yeah. So we wait for it. Probably I wait for it ifike hadi hapa ni use na lot mingi. Inipe pesa mob. Juu kikuja hapa ni risk pesa mingi. Hata si risk pesa mingi. Nitafuta very perfect entry hapa. Aniweke lot zenye zinafaa ni hivyo. I'm sorted for before the end of January. But let's see how it's gonna behave. Today's date 10. Give it up to around before date 15. I hope itakuwa imefika. Ama before date 15 itakuwa imefika. So we wait and see how the market behave. So we go back Kenya tulikuwa tunafanya. So nataka tuchore. We said the head and shoulder inakaa hivi. Head. First I would draw a head and shoulder yenye imesimama. So that watu wajue. So an inverted one ni yenye iko upside down. I do not want a big one. Head and shoulder inakuanga imesimama hivi. I want to first repeat what I said yesterday. To go through what I said yesterday kwa sababu nilidelete video. Head and shoulder inakaa hivi. Kwa mtu yote anachora ama ulichora jana, confirm hapa. I've been following you and asking kuna invest ya 10k. 10k ukiconvert saa hizi itakuja around almost ni $6, around $60, So maybe you use a very lot, utumie lot size ndogo sana. Utumie lot size kidogo sana. Head and shoulder inakaa hivi. So an inverted one ni hii iko upside down hivi. Let me now draw it. Sasa iko upside down. Naona nimechora hii ikiwa kwanza. An inverted one iko upside down, ni kitu imeangalia chini. Rules ni zile. Rules, they are the same. Taonyesha pia ina form hii saa hizi. Rules ni zile. An inverted one itukuchukue tukuinamisha side ya chini. Nothing changes. Rules are still the same. An inverted one, right? So this is a head and shoulder imesimama. This is a head and shoulder imesimama. Hii ni head and shoulder imesimama. This is a shoulder, head, shoulder. I said this position lazima zitoshane. The neckline hapa na hapa. Lazima tufanye nini? Lazima patoshane. So, lazima this place and this place zitoshane. We call it the neckline. Ingawa venye double top niliwaambia kuna place ile double top zimekuja double top ya kwanza ilikuja bounce chini ikaguza, then ikarudi. That position we call it a neckline, or some people will call it a support. Like on our support hakuna market break along this side. We said you buy at this position, take profit hapa. Take profit unapeangwa na hii market. Sawa? Take profit unapeangwa na hii market. So you buy from this position, take profit hapa. You buy here, take profit unachukulia hapa. You sell from this position, take profit unachukulia hapa. Tuko pamoja? Buy from this position, take profit hapa. So niandikie watu maybe hawakuona jana. Buy hapo, TP hapa. Sell at this position, sell at this position, TP hapa. You wait for the market to decide the direction. Nikasema waki break side ya chini. If they break the side ya chini, they do a retest. You measure the distance of the head. You measure the distance of the head. Your distance market itaenda side ya chini. You measure the distance of the head. Na ndio distant market itaenda side ya chini. Nilisahau kuambia hivi. I forgot to tell you this. When the market is done kwenda distance ya head, side ya chini, the market usually goes back up. Inarudingi juu distance ya head tena. If the market breaks side ya chini, let me explain that. If the market breaks on the lower side and goes the distance of the head, na imalize kwenda distance of the head, wacha niweke D. Nita nimakia watu wengine. Tusema hii tunaita distance ya head H. So tunaenda distance ya head side ya chini H. When the market is done going distance H on the lower, the head distance ya head side ya chini. When the market is done going to the distance of the head on the lower side, what it's going to do, it's going to go back up the distance of the head when it's done. Sawa? Okay, tuko pamoja hadi hapo. When the market is done going the distance head, the distance of the head on the lower side. It goes back up the distance of the, if it's unable to break on the lower side, kasema hivi, when the market is done, ikishindwa even toa hizo, when the market ikishindwa ku break his support, it usually goes up the distance of the head. So when the market is unable to break here, you have already traded this shoulder, it's already done. If the market is unable to break this one, usually goes back the distance of the head. Who or when it breaks the support, when the market breaks this area, kuna mtu ananiuliza swali hapa. When it breaks this support, tuseme market it breaks the support. When the market breaks this support, yes, I don't want another. I want this. When the market breaks this support on the lower side, and there's something which I ignored with Jam 75, and it really cost me money. I will explain what happened. So when the market breaks this support, usually goes back down. Okay, when the market breaks this support, usually continue to go down. Now an inverted one, it's the opposite. You see the way this one imekaa. An inverted one look exactly like this. An inverted one, it go upside down. Nothing has changed. The rules are still the same. The shoulder, this is the last shoulder. We usually trade the last shoulder. Let me show you. We usually trade the last shoulder. We usually trade the last shoulder. This is what we are covering up today. We usually, but I had to go on that just for a reminder. Head and shoulder imesimama, an inverted one inakanga hivi. So we usually trade the last shoulder. The last shoulder is the one which we trade. So you sell. This area has to look like a double top. Nika double top uko nayo. Let me show you. Nika double top uko nayo hapa. Here. Oh, sorry. Nika double top uko nayo hapa na hapa. They're in the same position. So you usually sell the market from here. You sell and then take profit you are given by this side. See here head, shoulder imefika hapa. Even this shoulder should get to that position. Take profit here. Okay? Take profit wapi? Hapa. And then you buy from this position. So let me write for some people. Sell. Sell. And this one, TP kwa hapa. Take profit. TP supposed to be there. TP kwa hapo. And then buy. It's the opposite ya ile ingine. Ile ingine tunaanza TP hapa. Tasoma comments zenyu baadaye, gojeni first ni explain Kenya na explain. An inverted one. Hii tulikuwa tunaanza na buy hapa. As you can remember. This one we are starting with a buy. And then we had a TP here. TP. And sell. Then TP. So they're quite different. You see, this one we are starting with a buy. The take profit is here. I've said the take profit is usually here. Then you sell it at this position. Sorry. You sell it at this position. Take profit is here. Now, the other one is a bit different. Now, this one we start with a sell. TP is here. Buy. And the TP is here. Okay, this is what we have with this market. This is what we have with it's called what? AUD USD. This one, AUD USD, it has an inverted head and shoulder. And this is how you make an entry yake. Entry yake inafaa kuwa hapa. So they have already broken this line. So you take a line from the lowest to the second on a break. So this is a perfect position to get a very selling, a sell. You sell the market from here, take profit hadi hapa. Kwa sababu it's an inverted head and shoulder. Wacha nioneka nikiweka kamera hivyo inaonekana vizuri. This is our first shoulder. This is our neckline, you see. This is our head. Market may break side ya chini. And then you see, the market didn't break this level. So this one is giving us an inverted head and shoulder. That market will drop up to where the shoulder is. Take profit, unapewa na hii mbele. So the take profit is supposed to be here, where our first shoulder ilifika. So when it get up to here, you're gonna buy it back up. That is AUD card. AUD card. I think I gave even the setup, yeah? AUD card. It's supposed to drop even. Even I think, yeah. This one had an inverted head and shoulder, but iko inverted head and shoulder na weekly time frame. Haina na day. New Zealand USD, it has an inverted head and shoulder, but it's not see a day. It's not for daytime frame because of this area. This area violated it, making it a square day. But on weekly, we have an inverted head and shoulder because of here and here. And this is a evening star. This is an evening star, you see. So the market is supposed to drop. New Zealand USD supposed to come up to this area, then goes up, back up. Sorry, then it goes back up. This is an inverted head and shoulder. This is our first shoulder, the neckline. This is the head. This market is supposed to come up to here, where this shoulder ilifika, and then it goes back up. Sawa, tuko pamoja hadi hapo? Yes. So rules are still the same. So you sell at this position, you buy, you sell TP, buy TP. Simple as that. If it breaks the upper side, if the market ikimaliza, kwa sababu ikimaliza. So when we are already done with this shoulder, I will explain with let me take this one because this one is perfect. When the market drops up to this area and then comes back up, if it breaks, if the market tuseme itakuja, this one is for sure it's gonna drop. So the perfect entry, I've already sold this. Hey, market nimeuza. Yo, I've already sold AUD card na lots zingine, but I fully know watashuka. That one I know because of the dollar index. Kuna kitu na expect dollar index ifanye. And then gold, euro USD, pound zote zinaonyeshana sell. So I expect this one to drop because it has to follow the mother currency. At the end of the day, I have to check when your mother currency na behavior. And see, the mother currency also has an inverted head and shoulder. AUD pairs, they follow the mother currency. Even the mother currency on weekly, it has an inverted head and shoulder. You can see it. Shoulder, head. Mother currency inaonyeshana sell. AUD USD, I said it control every AUD. And they have, all of them have almost the same pair. All of the same pattern. All of them look like they have inverted head and shoulder. Starting with the mother currency, which is AUD USD, which is showing, like, ukiona vizuri tu utaiona. It has an inverted head and shoulder. You can see this is a shoulder. This is the head. So this market is supposed to drop up to this area. Then it goes back up. So you usually mark here. We'll mark two even. Then mark the lower side. Then this line I make sure imeguza hapa. So even AUD USD yenyewe inaonyeshana sell. So meaning AUD card should sell. AUD card ita sell. AUD card, hizi ni pesa za bure. This is what I call free cash. This is ultimately pesa za bure. You place your trade here, then leave it. But don't overtrade. Kutalingana venye wewe unajisikia. Kama unajisikia kama mimi, like mimi I'm so sure tunaanguka. That's so given. Tutaanguka. So this one is supposed to come up to here. and then we buy it. Now when the market is done, tuseme ifike hapa, the market drops up to this area, then it buys back up to this area. When it breaks the upper side, we're gonna measure this distance. We're gonna measure the distance of the head. That is the distance the market is going to go on the upper side. When the market breaks the upper side, if the market breaks the upper side, we're gonna trade. We're gonna measure the distance of the head. That is the distance the market is going to go on the upper side. Let me go back to drawing. So that's what when you know, if the market breaks on the upper side, the market breaks on the upper side, we measure this distance. You measure the distance of the head. You measure this distance of the head. That is the distance the market is going to go on the upper side. Yeah. That is the distance the market is going to go on the upper side. So, you measure the distance of the head. That is the distance the market is going to go on the upper side. If it's unable to break, if it breaks on the upper side, the market breaks on the upper side, it's gonna go the distance of the head. And I've said this, when the market is done going the distance of the head, it usually comes back. So, higher. The next one, if it's unable to break, let me say this. Let me draw it nicely. Let me clear the whole chart. Let me delete the whole chart. Clear out the whole drawing so that I explain all of them, the three of them. Itakuwa easier because hakuna haja nipake moja uchafu. Let me draw all of them, inverted head and shoulder, all of them. The three of them, how you trade them, because it's supposed to be traded. Oh, what am I doing? Sorry. An inverted one. Sorry. Forgot, I'm drawing a normal one instead of an inverted one. Sorry for that. An inverted one. I've said that one, you sell this position. Let me just you sell at this position. TP here. You buy, key position, TP upper. That is our first trade for an inverted head and shoulder. The second one is the direction that market will decide to take. If it breaks on the upper side of the market, if it breaks on the upper side of the market, let's say inverted the second one, if the market decide to break on the upper side of the market, the market decide to break on the upper side of the market, you measure the distance of the what? You measure the distance of the head. Do a retest. You measure the distance of the head. This distance. You measure the distance of the head. Ama wacha niweke vizuri juu. Sasa nione. Nikiweka box ka itaitikia. You measure the distance of the head. You measure the distance of the what? Of the head. That is the distance the market is going to go to. You measure the distance of the... You measure the distance of the head. That is the distance the market is going to go to. You measure the distance of the head, market itaenda distance ya head. Nimesema hivi. You come here, you measure the distance of the head. This one. It's the distance the market is going to go to. Niko nimeibeba aje. Hizi vitu zinanisumbua. You measure the distance of the head. I don't know how to shift it. By the way, you measure the distance of the head. That's the distance market itaenda. When the market is done going the distance of the head, nimesema market inafanyanga hivi. It's as simple as ABCD. You get so many trades ukifollow hivi. Inakuanga rahisi. It's usually very easy. When the market is done to do the distance of the head, it's gonna go back down. Simple. You measure the distance of the head. That is the distance the market is going to go. It can break inverted head and shoulder side ya juu. When the market is done moving the distance of the head, it usually comes back the distance of the head. Okay? It usually moves back down the distance of the head. It's as simple as that. Hi, we go to the next one. We have this one. Don't need it. When the market doesn't break our resistance, the other one was breaking the supporter. This one is breaking the resistance. The resistance is the upper side of the market. What the hell is this on my laptop? Sorry. When the market is inverted, this is now, when the market imeshindwa to break the resistance, when the market is unable to break the resistance, usually form a double top and it goes down the distance of the head. It's that simple. When the market is unable to break, so you sell at this position. I can't sell. You sell at this position, but a very good trader, if you're a very smart trader, your first TP should be here. Let me show you, your first TP should be here. You know this market is forming a double top. You know the rules of a double top. And then when it breaks, you can sell it again here. That can be another entry for a sell. After it has broken this area. And then the TP is here. Or, you hold all of it. But you can sell it from here up to here. You can sell it out to here. It's okay. But still, you can do this. You can get the first entry here or a TP here. Ama, you make a sell here and then you wait for it to break. You make another sell here. That is okay. This one you have said you buy it at this position. Buy TP, I've said the distance of the head. Kuna swali, I was covering Leo inverted head and shoulder. I did it yesterday. Today I was just covering an inverted head and shoulder, and that's it. That's it. So for this trade, Audi card, we wait for it to drop up to here. This is a very good sell for anyone. Sell it up to here. Ikifika hapa, make a buy. Ikifika nitasema, but for now nilipeana sell. Sell it up to here because every pair for Audi USD is showing a sell, including the mother currency, and the dollar index is showing a buy. Yes, dollar index is showing a buy. Kuna place nimegoja dollar index break. Ebona misi. Kuna place nagoja dollar index break. This area. Waiting for dollar index to break this area. If the dollar index breaks this trend line we are on, we are on for a very good buy. We are on for a very good buy. So let's wait and see, because the dollar index is dropping. The dollar index is dropping. Euro USD is on buy, like today. But I said Euro USD has a head and shoulder. You see, this is our shoulder. This is the head. So I'm waiting for them to get up to this area. we sell it. Even Euro USD has a head and shoulder which is standing. Yes, this is Euro USD. Euro USD has a head and shoulder. Imesimama ya 4 hours. This is our shoulder. This is our head. Our neckline are in the same position. So this market is supposed to come up to this area here and then drop. And it is having a lot of consolidation. So I bet when there are a lot of consolidation going up, and still have a coming or something like a double bottom. But either way, let's see how the market behaves when it gets to this area, and then we drop. So if it breaks on the lower side, we're gonna measure the distance of the head. That's the distance market itaenda. If it's unable to break, we're gonna form a double bottom, then it goes back up. Vitu ni mbili. It's usually simple as that. Now that's how you trade a head and shoulder. Head and shoulder, nimesema, it's how you look. The head and the shoulder. Your shoulders are equal. Your shoulders are usually equal. Your shoulders are equal, zinatoshana. So that is what you usually trade. You usually trade the last shoulder. And then from there, you are given, the market now will direct you. You wait for the market to decide. If it's unable to break, if it's a head and shoulder, if it's unable to break, the support is going to give you a very nice buy. If it breaks the support, it's going to give you a nice sell, the distance of the head. It's simple as that. It's just simple rules. Now, another thing I said this, you need to know the time frame in a form head and shoulder. You can find it in a 4 hours in a day. Tuseme umeona na 4 hours na bado na day. So you can trade it in a 4 hours. Use a lower time frame. Like if you see it with, let's assume you have seen a head and shoulder. Now you have seen a head and shoulder na time frame ya day. Na umeiona na 12 hours na umeiona na 4 hours. You can use the 4 hours. I'm saying 12 hours because of volatility, yeah? Volatility because we usually check on Evo. You can usually use the lower time frame for breakout. Let me show you something I've seen. Why jump 75 really messed me up, and it's my own. Hii ni yangu. Hii ni mimi nilikosea. Hii ni mimi nilikosea. Hii ni mimi. Ay. Do you know tuko profit ya pesa ngapi? On yo boom 1000 tuko profit ya 76, 60 and 53. I'm so tempted kuifunga before nilale. Alright, just I'm very, very tempted to close this trade before I sleep, but I want to see how it's gonna behave before by around ikifika 60. I think mimi natoka man. Imeanguka. And then I'm waiting for it to get done with that sell step index, so that I think we buy it. I'm not so sure, but let me show you why I'm saying jump. I really messed up on jump 75. I want to show you the whole niliangalia leo. I was like, I really didn't do my calculation right. This jump 75. If I take a line from the lowest position to the highest, look, the damn thing. So, let me show you. This is why trend lines are very, very important. If you take the line from the lowest position in the market, this is jump 75. This is on 12 hours. We touch the first position, second position. You see, they did the retest. That market is supposed to go down the distance of the head, because we had a head and shoulder, but only violate, only haribu, but it doesn't change anything. They're gonna drop that distance of the head. Yo. That market should drop up to around here. 75. It's not supposed to go up. Supposed to finish this, but they did this. The same thing they did the other day with which pair? Kuna pair moja wali violate the same way. Ilikuwa pair gani? Am I forgetting? Sijui kwa nini nasahau. This one we wait. This one is a shoulder. Wait for jump 10 to get up to this area, then we sell it. It's gonna give us a nice sell. Probably already late. Crash 1000, it has a bearish flag. That's why I gave a sell. And then it did a retest. Me, I noticed after. Me, I look for my mistake. Why am I going negative? Is this market going to go up? And I saw no, it won't. If you touch this area, you can see the market came and did a retest. This is crash 1000. So it's supposed to drop. It's supposed to pay. I said it's supposed to pay $30. It's supposed to pay $31. I gave 0.50. It's supposed to come up to this area. Supposed to come up to that area. Boom 1000, it's gonna drop. They went up to do a retest. Wametusumbua. But boom is gonna drop. Itaanguka tu. Which other trade do we have? Inasumbua kwa hizo trade zote. I don't think kuna trade yote inasumbua. So the only trade I have ni easy. I have hata stop ime reduce 75, 56, 60. This is V10. V10 kwanza ilikuwa imefika 300 USD. So kuchukua, but at the end of the day it's supposed to pay a lot. Let me show you. Let me show you why I'm not closing V10, because it has a bearish. It has a bearish flag. This one. It has a bearish flag. It's supposed to pay how much? It's supposed to pay 60. It's supposed to pay around 60. Hapo. Nafaa kulipa hadi hapo. Acha nione. Sijajibu hizi comments zenyu. Pia nimeconcentrate na kusoma mpaka nikamaliza. Do you have a real broker who is asking? Do we have a real broker who is asking for 10K? Si broker wote ni real. Kuna me usually use what Forex. They're usually okay. Ama they leave. By the way, I was asking, how do you place stop loss? Ama you prefer not to, because utapata like. Na mtu ameniuliza swali alafu akajijibu. I don't usually use a stop loss. I usually huangalia market. Like naangalianga ni nini what am I missing out? Me I would delete a whole setup. And then I redo my setup again. But nakuwa nimejicalculatea. If I lose a certain amount of money, if I lose like 100 USD, kuna place ingine I'm getting 60 USD. So I usually do my own calculation. Like if I step out, or I ask myself, if I had a gun on my head and I was told, place a trade. That's another thing. Like I have a gun on my head and I'm like, this is 0 USD, place a buy or a sell. What are you going to take to save your life? That's something I usually ask myself. Yeah. Kuna nini ingine remember. So I don't usually use a stop loss. Sioni comments zenyu zote. Let me see my phone ingine. Hiyo phone hainiletei comments zenyu zote. So kuna msi ameniuliza, Ngendo ameniuliza, kesho kuna major news. Does news affect your trading? Not really. Not really. Mostly utapata ni pullback. Mostly the market market will move na mwelekeo. The market doesn't wake up and just move. Wanaweza kuwa they're going for a sell. But a lot of people wameingia sell. Tuseme 80% ya watu wameingia sell. Where is my pen? 80% ya watu wameingia sell. 80% wako sell, 20% wako buy. So remember, market movers huona kwenye order zenyu ziko. Si wenyewe wamepea brokers platform, ama mnadhani brokers wanatoanga wapi platform? Wanakuwa wamepewa na market movers. Hata wanakuwa wamefundwa bado. Most of the brokers wanakuwa wamefundwa na banks. So what usually happen, if they see 80% of people orders mingi za 80% they are on sell, market movers will come and move on a buy. What a move market buy. Wahunt stop loss. Wahunt wa activate pending orders. Kuna wasemibi walikuwa wamesema market ikifika place fulani. That market is supposed 80% are very right. The market is supposed to go on sell. But what they're going to do, they're gonna blow accounts. 2, hunt stop loss. 3, wa activate pending orders. Activate pending orders za watu. So they have to, if they go with the 20%, if wakitikia kwenda na 20%, they won't make a lot of money. So when watu wengi, is going to happen when the 80% were on sell and the market movers come and move the market on buy, a lot of people watahama kutoka sell waende buy, wafanya hiyo nini kwa kubwa. Now percent ya buy iongezeke, market movers warudi kwenye sellers walikuwa wamesema market iende. It's a mind game. It's a tricky game. So not really. It's very good to trust your setup so many times. Mostly if you're trading Forex and volatility also. It's very good to embrace your setup. Learn to embrace your setup. Learn kujiamini. It's a mind game. They're gonna play mind game with you. That one is for sure. They're gonna play mind game with you. They're gonna hunt your stop loss. So what they usually do, they look when you come wherever you place your trade. If you place your trades, all of you are on buy. Market movers will move that market to sell. They have the money. You retailers do not have the money. Market movers have the money. And I said this, banks work together. They don't go against each other. And I mean major banks. That's why you see, utaisikia, whichever news come out, you never hear any bank at the Bank of Japan or Bank of Great Britain imekuwa bankrupt. It never happened because they communicate, they share information. As this month, inflation, our bank rates will be like this. So what we are going to do, we do not have any strength. Inflation, we are increasing inflation is coming, bank rates are increasing, they share information. That's why they are called market movers. They share information. You will never hear any bank that imeenda bankrupt. That's a lie. They do not do that. They do not do that. They usually share information. That's why they move that market. When I move juu and then unaona inashuka. Like the things which happened to akina gold last time. Gold really went up, then dropped. They're hunting. They fully know a lot of people within that area. They have placed their trades on sell. What are they going to do? They're going to destroy all those sells. And then another thing, they're going to make sure stop loss. Let me show you what happened with gold. Watu waelewe kenye namaanisha. Watu waelewe kenye namaanisha. Now, a lot of people, even including myself, we had sell za gold hapa. I had a sell za gold hapa. So what did the market do? It dropped once and then went up to hunt. Because they fully know a lot of people have their sell around this area. They have their sell around this area. So the market dropped. It really dropped. It went down to kill any buyer who was around here. They killed the buyers by dropping and then went up. You see the spike. And what they do? Because they fully know gold is supposed to go and sell. They fully know that. And they know a lot of people have their sell around this area. Now this is their work. To hunt that stop loss and draw accounts. Any account which can't hold a trade. And then the market went back down. It's usually simple. It's Forex is more of a mental game. Like they play with your mind because they know it's your money is involved and your feelings are involved. So they're gonna hunt. Banks, they have to hunt. They survive. That's why Forex isha. They survive with your money. Yes, they take your $1, $20. The lowest someone loses in Forex, let me make approximately, is around 100 USD. Now assume like 2 million people have lost 100 USD at the lowest. at the lowest. People are losing a lot. At the lowest, how much is the bank generating? They are generating a lot. Okay? So, you have to know how to control your feelings. And what I tell traders, you have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, that market will intimidate you big time. It will really intimidate you. Every chance it gets, it will try its best to intimidate you and make you feel like you don't know what you're doing here. And you're right. You're very right. And it's very good ukwe na setup. Like, people just analyze the market and just leave it there. I usually encourage people, you should always, any Forex trader should have a demo account on the side. If you're not sure about any trade, but you think the market will go that side, go place that trade on a demo account and then see how it progresses. It encourages you. Ule morale yako. Because so many people are like, oh, I thought this market will go on by, but you didn't ukufuatilia, you didn't follow up. You just decided to do a setup, then leave it there. You're not even concerned if that market should do that. Go place those trades. Practice as much as you can on a demo account. It really helps. That's why Forex trading, demo accounts are the same as real accounts. The only difference with demo is that you can't withdraw and it's not your money and you're not emotionally involved. But if you can't make money on a demo account, even on a real account, you won't make anything. So make sure you're making money on a demo account first before you deposit any cash on a real account. Okay? So which other comment did I get? I have so many. Na lot size ngapi for a 300 USD account? Jeffrey, I'm sorry. Eka, it depend. Kwa ni mimi hiyo account naweza eka aiwe ukienda na mimi by the hope utapata hata eka 0.10. Let me not give you ati uweke lot kubwa. Eka 0.10. Eka 0.10. Eka 0.10. Eka 0.10. 0.10 is way safer. And then kubai, itakuwa imekumikia pesa poa. 0.10 ukiweka within hapo. Ama uweke 0.15 ama 0. Usiende past 0.20. Na hiyo ni kumaanisha that's the only trade you're gonna have in that account. Out USD, you're not placing any other trade. That's the only trade you're gonna have in that account. Ukiweka 0.20, that's the only trade you're gonna have in that account. Don't place any trade, just leave the 300 USD for Audi card alone with 0.20. That's all I can say. If I was to give a very honest 0.03, labda uko na account ya nini? Account ya 100 USD, Eric. 0.03 kwa account ya 300 USD 0.03. Ai, nayo acha kwa serious bana. Kwani utaki kumake pesa? This year I'm determined to be a profitable trader. So may God, amen. Stop and last week. Yes, they did that. Please speak English. Well, I'm trying. I'm really trying. I'm trying. My friend, I'm trying. I'm really trying if I'm not even talking Kikuyu. 2 years, not yet a profitable trader. Vincent, which setup do you use? Or which method do you use to trade? That's a question I ask traders. And then, which method do you use to trade? 2, which time frame do you use to trade? Because the issue here, traders in time frame. Traders wait for, kuna traders wameajiriwa, they wait for salary ya 40,000 for a whole month. But waiting for a trade for 3 days, ama a week or 2, it's an issue. Like, oh, mi siwezi, aye. Me, I'm saying step index is supposed to pay me around 300. Na hii ni account yangu nimeweka. I don't not like sharing that. Nimeweka trade big kwa step index. Nimeweka trade big zangu. I was trading a lot za tu. So I'm getting a lot of cash from step index. And I've waited for 3 weeks. Ni 3 weeks. You know, naenda nasema leo I think I'll close step index before I sleep. Nilikuwa na trade na lot za tu. Nikipeana 0.05, mimi nilikuwa na trade na lot za tu. So me I was going 4 times per trade. Yenye napeana kama hiyo iko juu, me I was going 4 times. So can't assume how much step index nanilipa. And it's about investing. Kufa makanga na mimi I was holding a crazy negative. I think that's why nilikuwa napiga sherehe hivyo. Ni venye nisishinda nimeangalia soko. There's a time I avoid my laptop like a plague. There's a time I will not look at that laptop at all. Like the whole day I won't open my laptop at all. Niko hivi naangalia kwa simu. And then that's it. I won't look at that phone again and again. I'm not going to look at that phone. I give the market the space because mostly I said it's emotional manipulation. Traders wengine huwa wanalipa 40k. I'm interested. I've said this. Some traders like you, any traders, maybe they are working, they get paid around 40,000 and they wait for 30 days for that cash. But when it comes to holding trades, which are paying them maybe 100k, 200k, they can't wait. They rather step out with their petty cash. It's 3 days. Yeah, instead of waiting. In Forex, you have to be a lot of patience. Patient is virtue in Forex, which it's what I get. Yo. So I think that's it for today. So tomorrow we meet. We're gonna do cup and handle. Yes, I won't intervene. Quasimoto, I'm gonna do it the day after. Today is on Wednesday. Oh, I'm not going anywhere. Nilisema sherehe mwaka sifanyi. Nitafute pesa. I have a lot of projects to do. Mwaka tutapatana mpaka Friday. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere on do you trade oil? Hakuna kitu trading. I trade everything. But this year I'm so focused on gold. Yes, I do. You want me to check for you oil? I haven't checked on oil for a while, by the way. But if card chef is dropping, it means oil is dropping. I can tell that one for sure. If I'm saying this one for free. If card chef is on sale right now, I expect oil to be dropping. I do not know how oil is doing. I haven't checked on oil the whole of this year. But if card chef is dropping, oil is on sale. Now that one we can bet on. If card chef is on sale, US oil. I haven't checked on it the whole of this year, but if card chef is on sale, oil is on sale. Because card is controlled by oil so much. So if card chef is on sale, to what I can see on my chart, oil is supposed to be on sale. I'm waiting for my laptop to update. 1 minute, let me see. I can't be wrong. That one I can't be wrong. If card chef is on sale, meaning oil is on sale. I'm waiting for my laptop to update. Wacha tuone sisi wote. I'm waiting for my laptop to update. I don't know why it's taking a while to update. Update hii kitu. Kwa sababu if card chef is on sale, your SD card is on buy. Your SD card is on buy. Hey, my net is really misbehaving. I don't know why. If your SD card iko on buy, your SD card iko on buy, card chef iko sell, because I said card chef and card chef and where afakwa. Good. I said this. It's on sale. Kwa sababu huyu ako on buy. Why is it taking forever to update? kidogo onyesha. I want card chef. Wacha niwatafutie card chef. Card chef iko sell. Utaona hata zinafanana, hata chat zao ni gazi zinafanana. Tuende na days. Wacha update. Sorry. Tuna update. Leo nataka 4 hours. Kama oil inaanguka hivi, card chef lazima ikuwe na sell. Hii ni oil. Oil imekuwa ikianguka. Hebu angalia card chef. Nataka kukuonyesha na day. Ona card chef. Card chef imekuwa ikianguka, ikaanza kuconsolidate kama oil. Acha nionyeshe juu watu wengine hawataelewa. Hii ni oil. Oil imekuwa ikianguka. Card chef imekuwa ikifanya nini? Ikianguka. Oil kuna mahali irudi, kaenda juu, afi kashuka. Angalia. Karudi juu, kashuka. Saa hizi card chef ina consolidate a certain position hapa. Oil ina consolidate pia. Na still inaanguka kutoka mamake. Huyo. So, in short, mwenye ananiuliza story ya oil. Oil control Canadian pairs. Ni hayo tu kwa sasa. Oil control what? Because I said Canada is the biggest supplier of oil. Nikianzia lessons nilisema hivyo. Canadian pair ina control yungo na oil. Oil ikicrash, Canadian pair ina crash. Simple. Nikasema hivi, yen hukontroliwa na gold. Gold ikilose strength. Yen ya China, because they back their money with gold. Yen back their money with gold. If gold drops, yen ina lose strength. You can see gold is dropping. Every pair which is against yen, all of them, they're on buy. Yo, Forex is that simple. But then Forex is the easiest thing. I think anyone wake up and it's as simple as ABCD. It's as simple as that. So, as long as card chef is dropping, as long as oil continue dropping, meaning card chef will continue to go down, and USD card will continue to go and buy, because USD card goes opposite of card chef. So I think I said that when we were talking about correlation. USD card goes against card chef. That's why USD card right now is on a very perfect buy. Let me show you. So anasema ni hadithi za Hekaya. That is no. That is USD card. Huh? This is USD card. USD card, look. It's on buy. Card chef is on sell. So it's on sell, it's going down. Kwanza hiyo ni 4 hours. Nilikuwa nionyeshana na day. You see, nataka kuonyeshana na day because this one I've shown on day. USD card is on buy. USD card is on buy. Card chef is on sell. And I've said this. Oil control Canadian pairs. That's why when the market crashed in 2020, card pairs will crash. Zote. Because they are the biggest supplier of oil. They buy oil in large. I don't know how to explain it, but when I job vizuri, they can explain it, but to my own knowledge for the longest time. Other pairs correlate with gold other than JPY. For now, none. For now, najua yen. Another pair which goes opposite. Oh, let me answer you, Kim. The pair which goes opposite to gold is USD shape. If gold goes on sell, gold sizes equal sell, utapata USD shape imebuy. But I don't think that, because gold imeenda buy, USD shape iko wapi? 4 hours saizi. Hata tutacheka hata na 4 hours. This is gold. This is gold. and sell. USD chef. USD chef iko buy, wacha niweke vizuri. USD chef imekuwa on buy. Leo ukiona na day, unaona venye ina behave. Although leo, the reason why it's not going so up because dollar index haina strength, still need to be backed up by the dollar index. Dollar index bado haipandi. So, we wait. So, we wait. So, but USD chef goes opposite of gold and Euro USD in short. But mostly I like comparing Euro USD with USD chef. They please do give away. I have a short term sell on it. Iko sawa kama uko sell iko poa, but sijui setup yake. Labda I look for the setup. Meaning ni kichwa nakumbuka Culture Chef iko sell. Kwa sababu I think hapa hakuna pia siwezi kuambia kwenye inaelekea. Euro USD has a short, me I see a short buy kidogo because of the head and shoulder, and then it completely drop. Audi USD pairs, all of them apart from Audi GPY, and I've said Audi GPY will be a bit different because yen is weak because of gold. Gold is weak, it's gonna make yen weak. So Audi GPY at the moment you're gonna find it on buy, and the rest you're gonna find them on sell. So apart from pairs which have GPY on the side, yeah, like even New Zealand GPY, you're gonna find it probably right now on buy. Can you embrace more on dollar index, how it affects USD pairs? Dollar index is the strength of the dollar. It shows the strength of the dollar. It's like even JPY, we have a yen chart. Like unaweza analyze ujue pia za yen venye zita behave. Kuna yen inaitangwa aje? We have a yen index. Yes, they do have for indices. Yes, we have. Ni hii yen. No, not this one. Ebu au look venye wanaita hii yen yao. Because yen is weak at the moment. Pana taka indices. No, that one. No, view symbols. Let me see. I go to indices. I see if I'm gonna get yes, I think it's this one. I'm gonna make a video kwa mrefu, sikuwa ni discuss hizi vitu. But anyways, sakangi kuacha. Wewe nitaangalia. Sioni index ya yen hapa. I can't see it. Sioni. So, I think that's it. This will take a lot of work in our account here. Now, kuna dawa za blood pressure. Leon, lote one. Kwa account ya 1,000. Usijaribu. Don't try it. Don't even think about it. Hey, don't think about it. Don't go there. If you don't have 1 million plus, don't use lot ya 1 ya gold. Lot ya 1 ya gold. Yo, ushajaribu 0.05. Si usijaribu 0.05 first uone venye na moving. Lot ya 1. What you kuomoka, ukitaka kuomoka, study gold. Gold will make you money. Crazy money. And I'm serious on that. Gold does pay nicely. Gold inalipanga vizuri sana. Gold hulipa vizuri sana. But lot ya 1, bro. Lot ya 1 na account ya wacha niite 150. 1,000 itaisha, itapotea. You have to have then a very perfect entry and haina drawdown. Usiende drawdown yoyote kwa sababu hiyo account ita blow within seconds. I mean it. The account is going to blow within seconds. Your account will be gone within seconds. So ukiwa na account kama hiyo ya 100k, anzia na 0.010. My advice. Na ukijisikia sana gold, ena 0.20. Na bado hiyo itakupea stress. But you can try the waters. The waters should be trusted. You can try the waters. If you are really know it will be good. But lot ya 1 account below 1 million. Na yamaanisha 1 million, 1 million za Kenya. 1 million za Kenya zitaingia around pesa ngapi? Hiyo account bado utakuwa imehemesha. Let's say 5,000 USD. Ukiwa na 5,000 USD, you can try lot ya 1 ya gold. That's why will make a lot of sense. Hiyo ni almost 1 million ya Kenya. Penye tunaelekea saa hizi. But 1 million itaingia around 700 ama 600 kulingana na transfer yako venye umefanya. Ukiwa na around 7,000 USD saa hizi, uko na mita plus Kenya saa hizi, kwa sababu the dollar is about almost inaelekea 160. Uko almost 160. I think can you elaborate more? Hiyo nishajibu. I think those are enough. Nimejibu maswali za kutosha. Sitaki nini? Venye tupatane kesho. Wow. Time imeenda. Time imeenda. Ndio. So, that's it for now. Kuna kitu ingine? Pana. Step index inafaa ifungwe kesho bana. Nikipeananga trade ya V75. V75 inafaa iuzwe kuanzia sasa kesho tena. Tulifika halfway, so tuuze tena. Na hii jump 25 wanesi nasumbua, but itapanda tu. Let me just leave it. To go back up. Alright. So I think that's it for today. Have a lovely night. Tupatane kesho jioni. Good night.